he wrote back and he said, I know exactly how you feel because in my local bookshop, Brian May from Queen just quoted my book. And so it was like, you know, the science nerd, you know, his scientific hero quoted him, and then his rock hero quoted him. Anyway, I got the sweetest gift from science, and he just sent me a needle point, like a beautiful needle point thing to hang in the home. It says 10, home, 20, sweet, 30, go to 10. She's like the greatest nerd needle point ever. Anyway, this one is for all of us. Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state nearly 14 million years ago. Expansion started. Began to cool, the outros began to cool, the animals developed rules, we built a wall. Now science history, I believe in history, it all started with a big bang. The dawn of man is really not that long. Every galaxy was formed and let's stop and it takes some fraction of a second, the elements were made. I sent some ticket dinosaurs on the cricket drive, but they were late, they all died. Looking at your tears and then looking all of the explosion by the same big bang. It all started with a big bang. It's expanding around for one day.